Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to explain one feature of Samsung mobile, that is find my mobile services. If you have an Samsung account, you can use this service very well. This is a very useful service. So not wasting much of your time, if you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just going to the setting, how to activate it, just go to the biometric and security and go below, and here find my device. It should be it will verify if you turn it off or turning it on. I have turned it on. So if now suppose I want to turn it off, then it will verify from my Google account. So if you have an Samsung account, so just go there, and here you will see that Samsung account is this. And now on going to this website, you will see a page like this, and here you will see all the options: ring, lock, track, erase data, backup or retrieve call, and you will see the locations also. So not going there, allow this phone to be found. Yes, I have turned it on. This phone I have given permission that in case of loss, it will locate and control this phone remotely. If it is lost or I have forgot to unlock it, I can unlock it also. So if we want to unlock your phone, just we will go there, and from there we can lock and unlock. I have shown you the diagram, the picture. So if you turning it on, pin, pattern, password will securely stored by Samsung, and this allows us to unlock this phone in case if we forgot. So this is turn it on. It will ask for this. Go. So now I can turn on. Okay. Turn on. So if we want to send the lost location, just turn it on. For retrieve call and messages, we can do this. And for offline finding, means if we turn on this offline finding, then this will allow this phone to be found by other people Galaxy device even when it's not connected over the network. It will also allow this phone to be used to scan for lost devices that may be nearby. So you can also find wearable devices such as watches, earbuds, smart tag. So this is very useful feature, and I will suggest to turn on. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. This, if you are using a Samsung phone, you should turn it on. Find my mobile services. So if you find this video useful, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much guys.